Meet one of our most exclusive financial indicators, the in and out of the money. With this indicator, you can explore the profitability of addresses holding a specific cryptocurrency. This unique chart displays the number of addresses in profit, at a break-even, or at a loss based on the current price. Use this data to gauge market sentiment and potential price support or resistance levels. For example, a large green bubble represents an area where lots of holders historically bought and who are now in profit. Such a level can indicate a demand area in case prices drop. Red bubbles represent addresses that are out of the money, meaning the current price is lower than the price at which they bought. This will have high selling pressure, since many of these addresses will look to sell once the market price reaches their average cost and break even on their positions. Interesting, huh? Please go ahead and give it a try. You'll find this simple indicator invaluable for guiding your everyday trading decisions.